Up next on SciFiAntasy, a whole bunch of updates. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiantasy.com and welcome to another Modeler's Tube video. So as you can tell, it's that time of year. Everything here is gone. It's all put away up in the attic or in the closet or something like that because I ran out of money and supplies for the Halloween build. But the most important thing is that the Grim Reaper is done. He's the most important part for the Halloween build. Everything else is pretty much extra, and that'll get done in the new year. And hopefully Michael Myers too, that's sitting up over there on the counter or something, checking us out for Halloween. But let's get straight to the update video and let you know what's going on. So the first update we're going to talk about is the Halloween group build. We are coming up on Halloween. It's only a few days away. And if you haven't got your build into me yet, please let me know where it is. This way I can find it. Some of the guys already have their Halloween builds up on SciFiantasy.com in the group, so it's going to be easy enough for me to find those. If you haven't put it up in the group and you want to join and throw the pictures up there so I can find it, please do that. If not, just let me know if it's on a G+ page or you have it on a Facebook page. Send me the link. My email is hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com, which will be here and also in the description below. Send those to me. Hopefully everybody can get them to me by the 30th. This way I can make the Halloween video and we can have it up on the 31st, because I don't know if I'll get a live video in or not on the 31st. It'll be a little tough, but I'm shooting for a live video. If not, we're going to have a video of everybody's builds that were done up for Halloween, so don't forget to give those to me. Now, let's get on to the next thing. So the next thing we're going to talk about in the update is the Secret Santa gift swap on SciFiAntasy and the SciFiAntasy Christmas Giveaway. If you're interested in being in the Secret Santa, you have to be a registered member at SciFiantasy.com. Come to the site, register, and join the group. You have to join the group by November 11th because that's when I'm going to stop letting entries come in, and I'm going to start doing the name swap, and then I'm going to get addresses from everybody and give everybody the information they need to swap gifts. So it's just simple. You come to the site, register, go to the group over here, put in your information, and you'll be part of the gift exchange, which is pretty cool. This is the second year we're running it, and we've actually changed it from a set timetable on the group build to an open-ended timetable because people do other group builds or their own builds, or they have family stuff. So as long as you're building it and posting it, we'll be all right. And the other thing that we're going to be talking about is the Christmas giveaway, which we do every year, and that's probably going on for about 4 or 5 years now. And thanks to Mrs. Claus over in the kitchen that's making pumpkin pie or pumpkin bread or pumpkin muffins or pumpkin something for this week, we're going to have to give away this year 8 model kits. Instead of doing the usual 3 airbrushes, we were able to get 8 model kits pretty much for the same price, and we're going to be giving away the Star Trek Enterprise. I think it's the 1/650 scale. I'm pretty sure it is, from Revell's the 50th anniversary. Either way, it's this guy right up here in the corner. That's the one that we're going to be giving away 8 of those. Now, to be able to be in the drawing for one of those 8 kits, you have to be a registered member at SciFiantasy.com, and you also have to be an active user of the site. If you're just coming over to get your name in the drawing, it's not going to work because it's actually not fair to all those people that do actually use the site and they post every day, every other day, and they're sharing their builds and having fun with the other guys on the site. We're trying to build a community, and it's only fair to those guys that use the community every day to be in the drawing. And if you want to be in the drawing, you got plenty of time. Come over. We actually track how people use the site, and if you're in there with an X amount of uses, then you get thrown into the drawing. I know some people aren't going to like it, but it's the only fair way to do it. So if you're interested in that, just come over, register at SciFiAntasy again, and just start using the community. And if you're not sure how to use anything on the site, you can always email me, and I'll let you know how to use things on the site or what you got to do to make an avatar or a cover photo or anything like that. So that's pretty much it on the Christmas stuff. If you have any questions or comments about that, just throw it in the comment section below, or you can email me at hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com and I will get back to you quick, because my little phone goes bling and I get your email right away and I can email you right back. So let's get on to the final part of today's update. And last but not least, what we're going to talk about is the fundraiser that we have going on GoFundMe to help out SciFiAntasy get our software and get our hosting paid off, and hopefully a lot faster than what we got going on now. So first off, we'd like to say thank you to everybody that has been donating. Right now we have $370 out of 1,000 on the GoFundMe. The little thing is up here or over here on the screen. And we also got a private donation from a company. I'm not going to say how much, but thank you very much to Green Strawberry for helping out the site, and everybody else that's been actually sending emails and saying sorry they can't donate, or that they're waiting on payday or something like that. So with this GoFundMe, we're actually going to run it until midnight next Friday night. I'm not sure the date. I think it might be the 3rd or something like that, 2nd, 3rd, somewhere around there. But Friday night at midnight, going to cut it off, and then that'll be that. And then we'll collect the money. We'll try to see what's we got, and hopefully we'll have the software and all that good stuff and update that and pay off the hosting to Tommy, who's been taking that out of his pocket. So thank you very much to everybody. And if you haven't, come over to the GoFundMe. The link is right here, and that'll be in the description below. And everything we've been talking about, I'll throw all the links in the description so you can easily find the Halloween group build, the Secret Santa gift swap, the Secret Santa, well, not Secret Santa, the Christmas giveaway from SciFiAntasy, and the GoFundMe. All those links will be in the description below. And as usual, if you have any questions or comments, just throw them in the, not the description, the comment section below, and I will get back to you all as quickly as I can. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for stopping by, everybody, and we'll see you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye.